Hey guys, peace. Silverman Adventures Fishing here. It's been a while since I made a video because the wind has been nuts. It's been cold. Like everybody knows, all you other fishermen guys, you know, we couldn't get out there and do too much. Not in kayaks anyways. You can fish shore stuff, but it's still wind. If it's coming the wrong way, you're going to be a problem fishing. Anyways guys, enough about that. This video, I went out there, no wind. It was 15 to 20, but I wasn't going to quit. So I hid behind some areas where the wind wasn't blocking me. So I caught a couple fish in the morning in the dark. I apologize for that. Apologize for the wind, guys. That's going to be their whole video. I went through some heck, but like I said, don't quit. Keep going. Anyways, guys, appreciate y'all. Again, apologize for the wind. Caught some good fish. And it's just fun being blessed to be out there, guys. You'll see a crazy thing I saw in the dark. In the morning, a SpaceX rocket went up. I'm looking, what is that? It's in the video. Anyways, guys, God bless you. Thanks for subscribing. I know I'm losing some subscribers for not being there for about 20 days, but oh well, can't do nothing about that. I'm trying to please everybody. Okay, guys, God bless y'all. We'll see you. Enjoy. Well, guys, I threw underneath that dock again, hooked something, got my other lure back with my leader. So I'm not, that's a sign from the guy, some God, don't fish there anymore, young man. So I'm not. Thank you, Lord, for giving my lure back. That's a $5 worth of junk right here. I'm good. Everything else is gone off of here. All right, guys, I'm going to another dock. I learned my lesson so far. All right, guys. Sorry about the dark. There's like 5 or 6 fish here. So we'll see if these little boogers want a shrimp or not. Am I ready? I'm ready. I'll probably get me a little one here. Looks like a little snooks. Got him, guys. Got him. Got him. I got him. Let me move out of here. I got the booger. Sorry you can't see too good. Ugh. Yep, a little bitty old snook. Almost jumped in the boat. In the yak. There you go. He's in the net, guys. He's in the net. Of course, you're going to splash my face and my glasses and everything else. Crazy. All right, you little booger. Oh, God dang it, he stuck me already. He's a lively little booger. Come on, snook. So I got one, guys. Barely hooked, he ain't big enough. Probably stuff all over my lens so you can't see him. Anyways. There he is, guys. Little snookums. Try and get you as much as I can see. All right, brother. See ya. Oh, guys, look at that beautiful moon reflecting on the water. The fish ain't biting, except that one snook. The other 10 I looked at. As soon as I threw my lure in there, they went away. So I'm going around the corner. Hopefully I catch a red. I got some different stuff I want to try today. So I'll be back. All right, guys, I don't know if you can see that. Look at that. Looks like a rocket or something. Big old white cloud thing. Huh. I don't know if that's a rocket going up on the east coast over there or not. That is crazy. Huh. Wow, wild looking stuff. You never know what you're going to see when you're fishing, guys, in the morning. All right, guys, I just went across this whole bay. Saw this light reflecting. Usually it's not on. Not gonna waste too much time here. Like, got him, guys. Got him. Alrighty. That's what you tried to get me before, you old booger. Alright, guys, got me something here. I don't know what I got. It better not be no catfish. It's pulling pretty good. It's a snook, yeah. Underneath the yak. Got him, guys. He's jumping all over the place here. Ugh. Good little fighting snook. He's a good little fighter. Come here, you get in the yak. Get in the. Alright, guys, he's gonna go crazy here in a second. Good little snookums. Good little snooky. Come on, little booger, you. All right, guys, look at that beautiful little snook. Yeah. Cool. There you go, guys. He ain't big enough, but gave me something to do. All right, GoPro, here on. I shouldn't have left it on. Got something. All right. Oh, a little trout. Yeah, a little trout. Thank you, brother. Thank you, little guy. Little trout, guys. Appreciate you. See ya. All right, guys. I'm gonna go back over where the wind's below me. Over where I don't want it. Go back into the sun. Sorry, guys, about the sun. Well, guy, I had a charter guy go by, coming 100 miles an hour, but he saw me and he slowed down to nothing. Appreciate that guy. Appreciate it. Yeah. Usually they don't care about me or anybody else. Oh. Got something, guys. Finally got my first fish after a while. What do I have here? A flounder! Are you kidding me? A little flounder. It's neato. Neat. Down, boy. Leroy. Look at that little thing, guys. Beautiful little flounder that wants to lose his mind here. Like, if I'm on, cool. I know he's not legal, but thank you, little guy. Appreciate that. Alrighty. The guys actually got a fish. I hit a minute ago. Got another trout. Alrighty. About time. Guess they like the brown one. I had the white one on there for a while. I took it off and put the brown one on it. He looks a little short, but we'll check him out. 14. 14, guys. Come on, cool. Thank you, little trouty. See ya. Well, guys, I'm trying to get away from these waves beating me to death, and trolling. And I probably got another trout. Yep, another little trout. They like the brown one today. Dirty water, dirty lure, yes. All right, thanks, brother. See ya. All right, guys, I've paddled my butt all the way across here. I can feel it. Got a little trout. Bye. See ya.